What makes Columbia University one of the most prestigious and impactful institutions in the world? Its Ivy League legacy, groundbreaking research, or the leaders it has shaped? Let's explore the remarkable journey of Columbia University, a powerhouse of intellect, influence, and innovation at the heart of New York City. Columbia University, knowledge that shapes the world. Quick overview. Location, New York City, New York. Founded 1754 as King's College. Ivy League member. Motto, In Lume tuo videbimus lumen. In your light we shall see the light. Global reputation. Among the top 10 universities worldwide. Top 20 fascinating things to know about Columbia. 1. Oldest university in NYC, founded before the American Revolution. 2. Nobel legacy, over 100 Nobel laureates associated with Columbia. 3. Barack Obama's alma mater, graduated in 1983 with a BA in political science. 4. Pulitzer Prizes, administered by Columbia. Its journalism school is world-renowned. 5. Manhattan campus, located in Morningside Heights with iconic neoclassical architecture. 6. Columbia Climate School, a global leader in sustainability and climate research. 7. Space science leadership, contributed to NASA missions and astronaut training. 8. Medical breakthroughs, Columbia University Medical Center is a leader in health innovation. 9. Core curriculum, a famous liberal arts curriculum centered on philosophy, history, and classics. 10. Top global students, over 30% of the student body is international. 11. Affiliates, includes Barnard College, Teachers College, and Union Theological Seminary. 12. Columbia Business School, known globally for finance, leadership, and innovation. 13. Engineering excellence, especially in AI, data science, and sustainable engineering. 14. Lamont Doherty Earth Observatory, critical to global climate and earth science research. 15. Startup incubation, Columbia Technology Ventures helps transform research into businesses. 16th in humanities leadership, a global hub for literature, film, and philosophy. 17. Library powerhouse, over 13 million volumes in its top academic libraries. 18. Urban advantage, Columbia's NYC location offers real-world exposure and internships. 19. Political and legal influence, alumni include U.S. presidents, Supreme Court justices, and world leaders. 20. Regularly top-ranked, consistently in the top 5 to 10 universities globally. Top 5 lessons to learn from Columbia University. Think critically and broadly. The core curriculum teaches deep, multidisciplinary thinking. 2. Use knowledge for action. Columbia empowers students to solve global challenges. 3. Diversity is strength. Cultures, ideas, and perspectives converge here. 4. City as classroom. New York City becomes part of your education. 5. Honor the past, shape the future. Tradition meets cutting-edge discovery. Top 5 inventions and discoveries from Columbia University. 1. The laser, invented by Charles Townes, revolutionizing technology and medicine. 2. MRI advancements, key contributions to medical imaging. 3. Genetics and DNA, Columbia researchers help decode human genetics. 4. Climate modeling, groundbreaking Earth system simulations. 5. Political and economic theory, shape the way nations govern and grow. Top 5 space and science contributions. 1. NASA astronauts. Columbia has trained several astronauts and space scientists. 2. Apollo program work, provided early space navigation contributions. 3. Hubble telescope science. Columbia astrophysicists contributed to space exploration. 4. Earth observation leadership. Lamont Doherty leads satellite-based climate monitoring. 5. Cosmology and astrophysics, fundamental discoveries in dark matter, quantum theory, and planetary science. Top 40 great people who studied at Columbia University. Politics, law, and global leadership. 1. Barack Obama, 44th U.S. President. 2. Alexander Hamilton, U.S. Founding Father. 3. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, U.S. Supreme Court Justice. 4. Franklin D. Roosevelt, 32nd U.S. President. 5. Eric Holder, former U.S. Attorney General. 6. Madeleine Albright, first U.S. female Secretary of State. 7. B.R. Ambedkar, architect of India's Constitution. 8. Antonio Guterres, UN Secretary General, collaborated with Columbia Forums. Science, medicine, economics, innovation. 9. Robert Lefkowitz, Nobel laureate in chemistry. 10. Leon Cooper, Nobel laureate in physics. 11. Baruch Blumberg, discovered hepatitis B virus. 12. Charles Townes, inventor of the laser. 13. Brian Greene, leading theoretical physicist. 14. Amartya Sen, Nobel-winning economist. 15. Joseph Stiglitz, Nobel-winning economist. 16. Katherine Johnson, NASA mathematician, Hidden Figures. 17. Edward Said, founder of postcolonial studies. 18. Richard Axel, Nobel in physiology for smell research. 19. Lisa Randall, theoretical physicist and author. 20. Ray Kurzweil, AI visionary and inventor. Arts, film, media, and literature. 21. Jack Kerouac, author of On the Road. 22. Langston Hughes, Harlem Renaissance poet. 23. Allen Ginsberg, Beat Generation poet. 24. Toni Morrison, Nobel-winning author, taught at Columbia. 25. Jhumpa Lahiri, Pulitzer-winning author. 26. Jake Gyllenhaal, actor. Maggie Gyllenhaal, actress and director. 28. Julia Stiles, actress. 29. David Duchovny, actor, The X-Files. 30. Anna Paquin, Oscar-winning act, music, journalism, and business. 31. Alicia Keys, Grammy-winning artist. 32. Art Garfunkel, musician, Simon & Garfunkel. 33. George Stephanopoulos, journalist and political analyst. 34. Ben Platt, actor and singer. 35. Stanley Kubrick, director, film classes at Columbia Extension. 36. Richard Rodgers, composer of The Sound of Music. 37. Lauryn Hill, singer, songwriter, briefly attended. 38. Robert Kraft, owner of the New England Patriots. 39. Jew Award-winning filmmaker and TED speaker. 40. Oscar Hammerstein II, lyricist, briefly studied law at Columbia. From the White House to the silver screen, from Nobel Prizes to NASA labs, Columbia University's alumni continue to change the world. If you had the chance to walk Columbia's historic halls, what would you study? Law, literature, AI, or climate science? Would you like to see Columbia's role in global diplomacy? Columbia's top AI and business programs? Tips to get admitted? Let's explore further.